Hi, second graders. Mrs. Thixton here again. Our Chrysanthemum math lesson got cut off. I ran out of space on my iPad. So I'm picking this up in part 2. I'm going to take my mask off because I'm the only one in the room. Okay, so when the first part of this lesson ended, we were here. I'm going to flip my screen so you can see where we were. Okay, let's see. Let me pull it up just a bit more. Okay, so we were here. Hopefully you can see those numbers. I was comparing Travis with Bennett. So maybe down here, anywhere on here, I'm gonna write Bennett is greater than Travis. So I'm going to write Bennett and Travis's name over here. Bennett is greater, so she's got 2 dots by her name. Travis has a smaller number, 1 dot. And then I'm going to connect those to give you that greater than sign. So this reads, Bennett is greater than Travis. Now I could do the same thing up here. I could write Travis and Bennett. Okay, and then 1 dot by Travis's name, 2 dots by Bennett, and then make that less than sign. So this reads Travis is less than Bennett. Okay, I'm gonna pull 2 different people and do the same thing again with the paper dot, or these little scrap papers. Okay, I'm gonna do Heidi, who's our dog. Okay, and I'm gonna do Bennett because she's my daughter. Okay, so Heidi has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna do Bennett, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can't even see that because it's so many. There we go. Okay, so here's Heidi, here's Bennett. I'm gonna double check. Heidi has 5 from my list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bennett has 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. You can tell right away if I put these Bennett and then Heidi, you can tell, that Bennett's name is longer than Heidi's name. Okay. Again, if you want to pair them up, you just pull 2 together. Oh, not that one. And you can see that Bennett has 2 more than Heidi does. Just scooch that over a bit. Okay, so Bennett has 2 more than Heidi. Heidi has 2 less than Bennett. So if I go back to my paper, I can write that down. Take Bennett's name, Heidi's name, 2 dots by Bennett, 1 dot by Heidi because she has less. This one Bennett has more. And then if I connect those, this reads Bennett is greater than Heidi. If I do it down here, I'm going to put Heidi first and then put Bennett next to leave a space between them. 1 dot by Heidi because her name is shorter or has less letters, and Bennett has more, so 2 dots by Bennett. That's more. This one's less. Connect those lines. Now it says Heidi is less than Bennett. So you are welcome to do this kind of work with the people in your house, okay? This is just a quick lesson to show you some ways to compare and contrast the numbers of letters in people's names, all right? I could keep going with the others. I could use numbers instead of their names here if I wanted to do it that way. I could add them up and continue to go. Like I could say, if this is Bennett and this is Heidi, I could take those numbers. I'm going to come down here. Bennett is 7, Heidi is 5. I could add those together. 5 plus 7, 7 plus 5, that's 12. I'm going to put the 1 in the 1 spot, or I'm sorry, the 2 in the 1 spot and carry the 1 to the 10s, bring that 1 down. So Bennett plus Heidi equals 12 letters. Okay, you are welcome to play around with the letters in people's names in your family. All right, we'll see you later. Thank you.